Speaker sir, the email was sent to the secretary on 5th, pointing out Annexure E of LEQs 8A was not uploaded. The reply was not given. Simultaneously, the reply was uploaded आणि मागीर लोकडो पोर्टला वयर काढो. आता स्पीकर सर डिसअपियर जालो. आता स्पीकर सर कितें जाला एक आमकां एनेक्सर दिलो ऑफ RDA तेजो तुवें हो रीड करपा रिप्लाय कितें एक रिप्लाय काय ना एक रिप्लाय चो स्पीकर सर हे एनेक्सर 363 पेजीस जाला सिरियल नंबर बीन काय ना आमी कॅल्क्युलेटर घेवन बसों पळय. See, what I want to say is that we'll be compelled to take a privilege motion against the department.
Direction dita.
Speaker sir, soda direction.
Or reply amka. Jenne mak lakshan gaila ta
question Speaker sir. Anda or reply amka aaj dila. Yesterday the question was put on the portal and it disappeared.
The heads.
It was changed. You have to give us answers 48 hours. BAC, we spoke that anything apart from 48 hours would be postponed. Now, just at the last minute at 11:25, we get this annexure.
Speaker sir,
the heads have to be held responsible.
I have written an email yesterday officially. Officially, we have written an email that the annexure was disappeared.
Opposition leader,
the officers accountable.
But the heads of the department, they should be held responsible.
Otherwise, we will move a breach of privilege next time.
Okay.
Speaker sir.